welcome back to another video, guys, and you join us on the track with the A45 at Mallory Park in Leicester. And just when you thought my helmet wasn't comical enough, the lads at Mallory pranked me.
Matt, we've got a little surprise for you.
Oh no. What?
You've picked up a sponsor.
Oh. What?
Fuck me, put that in.
So yeah, they got me pretty good, but for the efforts, I decided to keep it on. Now the A45 was doing so well around the track all day, and the noise of it was insane. Loud noises! But after a lot of abuse, it was inevitable that the brakes would start to fade. Brakes, 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 brakes! Brakes, brakes, brakes. Now this started to make me feel frustrated, so it was only time for a pit stop. Suspension's too soft, brakes are rubbish. I've got to find some new suspension. Let me look online. Is that someone using public Wi-Fi without Surfshark? Kevin, we need to go. That's right, Surfshark has sponsored this video. If you don't know what Surfshark is a VPN, or a virtual private network, which is a privacy protection tool which guarantees instant online safety. So Surfshark encrypts all the data sent via the internet so no one can steal your passwords, steal your videos, view your private messages, or know what you're doing online. Ain't that right? Now, public Wi-Fi is a goldmine for hackers, so when you're out and about, use Surfshark to protect your connection. So check this out, I'm on Netflix in the UK and I want to watch the original Fast and Furious, but it's not there. Go to Surfshark in the top right hand corner, change my location to Australia, give it a refresh, and what do you know, it's there. Oh, Tokyo Drift as a bonus. So to get Surfshark today, click my link in the description box below, use code Matt Armstrong and you'll get 85% off and an extra 3 months for free. Right, back to Matt. So after removing those stickers from the side of my car, I went to IBAC, or IBAC, to go and get some new springs. I knew they were going to be closed. Come on, it's a Saturday. It's just part of the video. Just go with it. So in the meantime, I headed straight to Tintech. So, we're back at Tintech, and what a good job they've done. Come and check it out. Now, we're gonna have ultimate stopping power with the yellow banana front calipers. Obviously, I'm joking about the yellow calipers. It doesn't make you stop any quicker with yellow calipers, but it does make you look good. This has actually transformed the rear of the car. Tinting the rear lights, not something that I would have done, but they messaged me whilst I was here just to say, do you want your rear lights tinting? They definitely look sick. I took the word for it, and look at it. But a massive shout out to Tintech Alloys. If you do want to get any quotes for your car and Tintech Alloys, message them on Instagram, which is right here, and then just mention that I sent you them and they'll sort you out. IBAC springs. Right, let's get this thing lower and handling better. I could have gone for some different brand of springs, but IBAC have never let me down, and obviously, if you want any IBAC springs, contact Mallory Performance. Right, wheels off. We're in hell right now. Get it in the air. Flexing with my brethren. Hope you get the message. I hope you understand, yeah, yeah. Snappy for the gram, yeah, yeah. And then I'll dip in with the gang, yeah. Flexing with my brethren. Hope you get the message. I hope you understand, yeah, yeah. Snappy for the gram, yeah, yeah. And then I'll dip in with the gang, yeah, yeah. Cause I've been flexing on my old woes. I've been up and down the country. So here is the old spring and here is the new spring. As you can see, it's quite a difference in height. Let's put them there. So let's put this new spring on let's get it all back together and let's get onto the rears. So, let's do it.
They don't amount, think they were for million rocks independent, but that depends. Knew that I could make it independent, even when I was sat in the pen. Me and them guys have got no resemblance, no relation, they pretend. I get recognised on the road, on street man see through you like a lens. When I'm on sound, everything gets darky, only if that's what I intend. Don't do unintentional beef, check it intel, but I get intense. It gets tense up like incense, and I move in tension with no stress.
I'm just on the other side right now, and what I forgot to mention, I was going to change the brake pads, but if you can see here, they actually are about 50% done, so I'm still just going to kill them off, and then we're going to probably upgrade the brake pads, maybe change the brake discs as well after that, but at the minute, the brake pads are fairly in good order. Let's carry on with this, and then we're going to move on to the rear. Let's go.
Man with a big intervention, you're hardly your man.
These man don't know, they don't want smoke. This ain't no joke, cause you be moving broke. I'm sick of this, you swing and miss, ignorance and bliss. I've been setting levels through the city, shutting down your shows, yeah, that's a pity. MVE, we always moving pretty.
Wheel spacers. So I've gone for 10mm front and rear. Obviously 4-wheel drive, I want it to be exactly in line front and rear, if that makes any sense. Obviously I've got these from Malibu Performance. They are eye-back. I'm going to put these on. Hopefully it improves the stance a little bit. So let's get these on, get it down, and let's see what it looks like. Obviously the springs need a while to seat in, but we'll see, we'll see. Let's get them on. It's happened again, guys. They don't fit. So these are supposed to be the right size. I don't know what's happened. It even says the right part number on the box, but when it goes on, they are miles too big. The holes don't line up. So it looks like we're putting the original wheels back on, and we'll get spacers for another day. Let's get this back on and see what the springs sit like.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Those. Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out below. Keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice of the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020 and they notice the vision.
Now he's absolutely throwing it down, but the springs are on. Have they made a massive difference in height? Not a huge difference, but you don't normally see the difference on eye-back springs till about a couple of weeks, because they are like about a 15 or 20mm lower, which is obviously only very small, but we are going for, hopefully, to improve the handling around the track, and if that doesn't do it, then we maybe have to move to coilovers. Now I have got one more modification, which is gonna be a Marmite one for you guys. Let's go collect it.
Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat foot with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face.
I know what a lot of you are thinking. I've lost the plot this time, definitely. I seen one of these on an A45 and I just thought, that looks sick, I want one, so I got one. And we're about to find out what it looks like on the A45. So bear with us before you start commenting saying, what the hell has he done? Has he drove to Halfords and bought a carbon fibre bonnet? Just wait, just wait. Let's fit this on the A45.
Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I patted my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit, got a quick lit on a crash course from the tattered garment to the tabloid. Spoke how I live it into existence. Might be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures. Feel like nobody could with us. I'm a flight risk. I play among the stars in the Hollywood Hill. The space station couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it. Wave. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on.
ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the carbon bonnet on the A45. Quite possibly the most controversial thing we've done on it so far. Bit of a wild card. Yes, I don't see many people doing it. There might be a reason for that. You guys are either going to rate or hate this carbon bonnet, but I think it looks sick. Look at it. The shine on it is sick, and I know the colour that it's going to be wrapped. You guys don't, but I think it's going to go so well with the wrap that the car is going to go as well. Quite disappointed on how much lower the eye-back springs made it sit, but we may be getting a coilover kit for that anyway. But I just want to see what it performs like on the track with the eye-back springs first. Spacers I'm going to go get right now. Yay, the ones which fit. But I've still got to put the wheel spacers on. But as for now, that is it. I know this is definitely a Marmite mod, as of most of the mods that I've done to the A45 so far. But you guys can say in the comments whether you like it or hate it. I know what the majority of you are going to think right now. But if I didn't do these controversial things, then you guys wouldn't have nothing to talk about or watch. So thank me later. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next video, where possibly we may be getting a new project car. See you in the next video, guys. Peace out.